In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover MetaTrader 5 password. If you've forgotten your MT5 password, the key thing to know is that you won't recover it inside the MetaTrader 5 app itself. MT5 doesn't manage your trading password, your broker does. That means the reset happens through your broker's client portal or with their support, and then you use the new details to log back into MT5. The most common path is through your broker's website. Start by signing in to your client portal or members area using your broker login. Once you're in, locate the specific MT5 trading account you're trying to access. Brokers usually label this clearly in your account list. Look for an option like Change Password or Reset Password. Follow the prompts to create a new MT5 password. Make it strong and unique, and avoid reusing old passwords. After you've set it, open your MT5 platform and log in using 3 pieces of information: your login, which is your MT5 account number, your new password, and the correct server name provided by your broker. Selecting the correct server matters. If it's wrong, you'll see connection errors even if the password is correct. Some brokers handle resets by emailing you a new password. In that case, you'll still initiate the reset from your broker dashboard, confirm the request, and then watch your inbox. Check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it. If the broker sends a temporary password, use it promptly and change it to something you'll remember, storing it securely. When pasting from the email, be careful not to include extra spaces. If you still can't get in, reach out to your broker's support team. Have your MT5 account number, your registered email, and your full name ready so they can verify your identity. Once verified, they can reset the password for you and provide the exact server details you should use. Always contact them through official channels listed on the broker's website to avoid phishing. One more important note: MT5 uses 2 passwords. The master password lets you place trades and manage the account. The investor password is read-only, useful for monitoring and sharing performance without trade permissions. If your goal is to trade, make sure you're resetting and using the master password. To recap, you'll reset through your broker, not inside MT5, then log back in with your account number, the new password, and the correct server. Keep your details secure, double-check the server, and you'll be back up and trading in no time.